Hey there guys, my name is Marcus and welcome in a reality of making money online, in which I'm going to review various money making methods if they are actually worth doing. I'm making these videos to save you money, time and energy. And in this video, I'm going to review the new way to make money with Canva AI made by Wholesale. And of course, I don't have any issue with Wholesale. This is just a review of the method. So what she's sharing in the video is that you can create some kind of like book with Canva and then sell it on Amazon. For example, she's sharing the dot-to-dot images that you can generate with Canva, and then you can modify them and format them for printing. So first thing first, you have to have the Canva the paid plan. So this is the first thing that you have to be aware of. Then compiling the book, you have to format the book in Canva, ensuring it meets the Amazon KDP specifications, and then you have to also design the cover. So you have to find a cover for book, you have to choose it for yourself, or what you have to do then is, like, if you don't want to design it, you're gonna find someone on Fiverr and you're gonna pay them for it. And then you have to upload them to Amazon KDP, publish the book, set up the pricing, keywords and the categories. And what she's sharing in a video is that, you know, you can earn $1,370 per day, which is like insane amount of money. Now, first thing first, let's start. What are the issues? I really like this comment first, is that there are too many other people selling books on Amazon, including the type of books in your video. Thousands of these books and other books are on Amazon. Very few people selling these books will ever make it to the top 100 pages on Amazon. You will most likely be buried away down the list and nobody will see your book. There's very few sales. I don't know why everyone else hasn't figured this out. And this is such an important comment. So first thing first, to earn actually $1,300 per day, like on a typical royalty of $2 to $3 per book, you would need to sell 400 to, let's say, 600 books daily, which is like insane if you're gonna just specify on like really small niche that you don't even know if you're gonna make it. So a lot of like the KDPs, you have to invest into marketing, the advertising, the keyword optimization, that it's not like so simple as it seems. And many of these like money making methods, what I'm feeling is that they are sharing the surface level advice. They're never diving deep on what it actually takes to succeed in such a oversaturated niches. Now, again, inflated bestseller estimates. In a video, she's sharing about, you know, how much money you can actually make with it. And that, like, for example, with the calculation, the problem with it is that the Amazon seller or sales rank calculators, which often overestimate sales. A book on ranked 10,000, let's say, on Amazon may sell 30 copies today, not like 100 as claimed. Then the saturation of the market. If it's such easy to do, like, everybody can do it. So this is something that we have to be, again, aware of, because it's many times presented how easy it is to completely dominate the market. It's so simple to, you know, to win on the market. Just make one book and you got it. And the thing is that it's such a huge investment of time to actually create so many pages, to create, you know, like the book cover, to understand the Amazon. And the thing is that, like, do we even like it? Because what I'm feeling right now is that we focus so much on how to be, you know, effective, how to have everything automated, but where is the soul? Where is the heart? And that's what I'm pursuing more and more, is that if we actually focus on the things that we are passionate about, I will get to it. That's a much better way to actually make money online, and much easier. So we will get to it. Also, the quality issues, that using the Canvas AI might result in low quality books. Also, reviewers are criticizing the backward numbers and errors suggested poorly edited content. Then, misleading passive income. So the passive income from KDP isn't really truly passive. With the marketing, with the optimizing keywords and monitoring performance are ongoing tasks. So then you have to also promote the book to actually like rank it and make money with it. And what I'm perceiving is that, you know, the one who is actually making most of the money is Ted. With 100,000 views, she's like, what I'm feeling, getting like 20 RPM, no kidding. So just by this video, she can make like 2-3K. That's what I'm perceiving, even more could be. And then she got the affiliate link for Canva. Again, another money, because people are going to sign up. They are going to, for example, get the 30-day to test it out. They are going to be charged out. She's going to make money. And even when I'm going to Canva affiliate, check here. earn up to $36 for each new pro subscriber through Canva. I don't know if this is like still up to date, but okay, let's say 1,000 people from 124,000 are going to sign up. I mean, like just maybe the conversion is much lower, but still, she's making the most of the money. That's the truth. And now I'm just going to give you my own perspective, someone who is working with various niches, various side hustles for like years right now. What I'm finding out the best is to focus on something that you actually like doing and you can see yourself doing in the next 3, 4, 5 years. That means is to actually focus on something that's also in the video. If you want to, down below, you can check it out with the I have the newsletter there where I share what I'm perceiving as important. To actually focus on something that we like, that you have passion about, that you've overcome the struggle, not like what I have more to do, but understand who am I inside and deciding to go from the deep heart, like deep soul, and create that in the world. And I'm telling you right now, then what happens, this is like the Joseph Campbell said it, that when you follow your bliss, the invisible hands are going to help you. And this is what I see more and more in my own personal business, is that when I'm creating content around who am I inside and what I like to do, what I'm passionate about, then I can just like create much better things than if I'm just focusing on how to make money. And this is the thing with this project. Like if you're someone who loves to make coloring books or things like that for kids, let's say for adults on Amazon, go ahead, do it. Because then you'll be able to do it for years. But if you just want to earn money and nothing else, I don't know if it's the right way to go. Because the amount of time investment, money investment to Canva, then to Fiverr, and the amount of energy investment is not worth it. Again, as was this like comment really well said, you will most likely be buried away down the list and nobody will see your book. There's no sales. I know why everyone else here hasn't figured this out. So I hope this video provided you value, at least a little bit, what you can actually expect if you're gonna make these like books that is not really worth it. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.